Yes, I don't hear. Now they ask me, have you heard about Very Dark Man? Now me first called this morning to give me the breakdown. He said, Baba, see this thing. Make a talk, huh? I say, VDN, talk, huh? And they tell you, ask my wife. Now me first play everything for this morning. This is what he enter my hand. I say, when they put a whole me for panty, say, you go Kuje. They go put somebody for apartment. I'm gonna bust everything outside. When they crazy, don't worry about VDM. When I don't tell me anything, say VDM. Say, don't worry about that one. You people you are late to the party. You are late. Forget. Now me call this morning. I say to my full chest. He tell me everything. I say talk it outside. Talk it outside.